What's up viewers, hope you're well. Today Self-Care presenting a new video about healthy foods for children. The key to healthy eating is to enjoy a variety of nutritious food from each of the 5 food groups. The Australian Guide to Healthy Eating displays the 5 food groups on a plate in the proportion that you should be eating them throughout your day. If you eat a variety of foods from each of these groups, your body will receive all the nutrients and the vitamins needs to function. So in this video I will show you children healthy foods. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self Health Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of all latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic, children healthy food. First one, dairy. The foods in this group are excellent sources of calcium, which is important for strong healthy bones. Not many other foods in our diet contain as much as calcium as dairy foods. Fruit. Fruit provides vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber and many phytonutrients. They are nutrients naturally present in plants that help your body stay healthy. Grain food. Always choose whole grain and fiber varieties of breads, cereals, rice, pasta, noodles, etc. Refined grain products such as cakes or biscuit can be high in added sugar, fat and sodium. Lean meats and poultry, fish, eggs, tofu, nuts and seeds. Our body uses the protein we eat to make specialized chemicals such as hemoglobin and adrenaline. Protein also builds, maintains and repairs the tissues in our body. Muscles and organs such as your heart are made of protein. Vegetable, legumes and beans. Vegetables should make up a large part of your daily food intake and should be encouraged at every meal, including snack times. They provide vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and phytonutrients to help your body stay healthy. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.